With the increase in the world population and diversification of the production techniques, food engineering, which is the profession in which a knowledge on mathematical and natural sciences gained by study, experience, and practice is applied with judgment to utilize economically food raw materials, was born. It encompasses the knowledge required to design processes and systems for an efficient food chain extending from the producer to the consumer. Basically, food engineering targets healthy nutrition for the mankind. Kyrgyz-Turkish Manas University Food Engineering Department was founded in the Faculty of Engineering in 2003, aiming to educate the engineers of the future. Bachelor of Science degree in Food Engineering is a 4-year program. Students are educated in small groups and in fully equipped modern laboratories. The students do their summer practice in prestigious food processing plants in Kyrgyzstan and Turkey. MSc and PhD programs in food engineering started in 2008 and 2012, respectively. Food engineering program carries out numerous research in different fields of food engineering as a requirement of graduate education. Food Engineering Department of the Engineering Faculty of Kyrgyz-Turkish Manas University has numerous research laboratories: moisture content, free acidity, total soluble solids, protein, fat and oil, carbohydrate, cellulose, and vitamin C contents, and similar analyses in foodstuffs can be performed in the Food Analysis Laboratory. In the physical and structural properties of foods laboratory, physical properties like density, volume, structural properties like pH, drying characteristics, flow properties, water activity, color, relative humidity, penetration depth can be measured. Control analysis of food spoilage, pathogen and sanitary indicator microorganisms, sanitary and quality control, recovery of useful metabolites, investigation of fermentation microorganisms in soil, compilation of useful bacteria collection can be performed in the microbiology laboratory. It has an important role in research. Heat transfer by conduction, tubular heat exchanger, determination of the diffusion coefficient in gases and liquids, fluid statics, flow properties of fluids, pressure drop calculations, size reduction and particle size distribution, pasteurization, filtration, drying, solid-liquid extraction, process control, catalytic reactor, and fermentation experiments can be performed in the Food Engineering Unit Operations Laboratory. Engineering Faculty Central Research Laboratory contains high-performance liquid chromatography system, rheometer, and spectrofluorometer, which is the only unit in Kyrgyzstan. This laboratory is mainly used by the PhD students for their thesis studies. In the general chemistry laboratory, students are performing experiments on cooling, heating, condensation, filtering, gravimetric analysis, crystallization determination of the atomic mass of a substance, chemical reaction rate and the factors affecting the reaction rate, solution preparation, dissolution process principles, determination of the molecular mass of gases, calculation of the equivalent mass of pure substances and compounds, chemical reactions, chemical bonds, the effect of temperature on reaction rate. Advanced level researches are being carried out in the laboratories of the Food Engineering Department, and the results of these researches are published in international index journals. Food Engineering Department is in collaboration with numerous establishments in Kyrgyzstan, Turkey and Europe. Successful students are sent to Turkey and Turkic republics for summer training. The department graduates can easily find jobs in prestigious food establishments in Kyrgyzstan and Turkey. Food Engineering Department of Engineering Faculty of Kyrgyzstan-Turkey Manas University educates creative food engineers equipped with contemporary knowledge and skills. So we believe that future is in their hands.